Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make a video note on WhatsApp. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, for you to make a video note on WhatsApp, make sure you are connected to the internet. And after your connection, just go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. Just click on the chat and open up the chat. At the down page of the chat page, you see plus button. You see where to type your message. Then again, you see the camera icon. Just click on the camera icon. Now it's now bring out the page like this. Under this page, you see video, photo and video notes. Just go ahead and click on video notes. Now you see the camera has changed already. If you want to use the front camera, you see it like this. But if you want to use the back camera, you see the icon beside the camera button. Just click on back camera. Can you see it, guys? Now we are using the front camera. Just change it back. Then for you to start making your video, just go ahead and click on the camera icon indicated with red button. Just hold it down and press it. You can start making your videos. Can you see it, guys? You can start making your videos. These videos can take more than 2 minutes or so. After making your videos, just go ahead and click on the send button down indicated with green color. Just click on it. Can you see it, guys? Now you send it to the chat. So guys, that is how to make video notes on WhatsApp. If you find this video so helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with people and give it a thumbs up. Then don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.